So welcome to my channel, myself Sayyam Badia. If you have watched my videos, I talk about chemistry, biology and mathematics for CBSE curriculum, and I only teach chemistry, biology and mathematics. So I'm planning to start with maths and physics series. So in this video I'm going to talk about the new 25% reduced portion and what has been deleted from the old portion. So let's start with chemistry actually. Now this is for class 10, the upcoming class 10. So chemistry, main chapter, metals and non-metals. My personal view, this was a tough chapter. I didn't like this chapter at all and it was very hard to grasp for me, but comparatively it was easy. So I won't say this decision was right or wrong, but okay, we have to be with it. The second chapter that is deleted is carbon and its compound. Now, this was a worst decision. Carbon and its compounds help you build the basic for the class 11th organic chemistry. Now, this had all the basic for organic, the nomenclature, the naming of the organic compounds, some reactions were there. So, it was overall a basic course for your class 11 if you want to learn chemistry ahead. So, you can still learn this chapter. I will upload a video for this because this is very important chapter if you are thinking to be a chemist or a biologist. Carbon is everywhere, so it is necessary to be learned, but it's okay. Now metals and non-metals, things or all the things in the chapter is not deleted. There is some things, three things that is deleted. Basic metallurgical processes, so this part was very easy, like you just need to learn the definition. It was that easy, so no major complaints. And corrosion and its prevention. So corrosion and its prevention is at most easy topic. There was reactivity series, it is still there I think. So be aware of it. Now in biology, now I am very sad about this part, that is control and coordination. This chapter deals with the various aspects of neuroscience actually, the brain anatomy, the functions of various parts of brain. So it was overall a good chapter and had weightage in the boards. And the second is heredity and evolution, but heredity, everything is not deleted, some parts is deleted. In heredity and evolution, the parts like basic concepts of basic concepts of evolution has been deleted. Now, heredity, if you want to take bio, in 12th, genetics is important. Like it is important, it comprises of 3 chapters in 12th bio, you need to learn genetics. So basic concepts of evolution like the theories, how man came to being from chimpanzee or ape. It was necessary, but not at all worry that it would affect your upcoming topics. Now in physics I'm very happy about this. Human eye and colorful world, hold deleted. Colorful world, hold deleted. The magnetic effects of current from generator, DC, AC, and advantages. The last part, motor is included, rest everything is deleted. So I'll write generator to domestic circuits, deleted. Okay. And the third is our sources of energy, which was like why this chapter was there. Nothing important. Like it, the question used to come from this chapter was, what is the use of solar energy? What are its application? How can we use solar cell, the wind energy, coal energy, renewable energy, non-renewable energy? So this was about the class 10th portion, that was deleted portion. So metals and non-metals. Now the topics that are left out is chemical reactions and equations, acid, bases and salts, some parts of metals and non-metals, and whole deletion of carbon dioxide compounds. Now in bio you have all your life processes, digestion, respiration, circulation and excretion, including reproduction, and heredity and evolution. You have everything except basic concepts of evolution. Now in physics, human eye and colorful world, we talk about eye, various organs in eye, now the diseases which are present due to various things. And the second is generator to domestic circuits and magnetic effects of current. So no comments, it was hard. And the third, sources of energy. So this was overall 10 science. Now I'm not basically happy with the carbon dioxide compounds deletion and control and coordination, and human eye. Human eye was a very scoring topic. Like the main question was the eye diagram, the three diseases which we had in this topic. Now, so this was my deleted portion video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, subscribe it and share it to your friends to tell them about the deleted portion. So I'll start in chemistry about chemical reactions and equations, and in bio I'll start with life processes. So stay tuned. So bye.